on each side of this electrolyzer 2 more spoons, hoping I would keep it cool at the electrolyte and drop the voltage down to maybe 1.7 volts, because I don't need more than 1.23 in theory, so a little bit more. So all this should make my whole system cooler, but as a result, and I'm very surprised about it, that thing is heating up pretty quick. With 2 spoons on each side of the electrolyzer, I had a much better result. I had greater output and I had no heating up of the cell, and this is just surprising. I don't know what it is. I have to look into it. The output is not as great as I hope. I hope for much more. This is just straight DC. It's not pulse DC. I had this later. At the moment, I have to figure out what's going on with all that. Why the water is heating up and the output is not as great as I had. I played a little bit with aluminum ions and some iron oxide. I took the aluminum out. I also had some what is it in batteries? The carbon, fine carbon in it. Didn't make no difference, just settled on the ground and it worsened it. So at this point I just put iron in it, actual iron rust. The way how I did it was left all the spoons in it, took the middle, the plus, and hooked up on a rusted piece of steel and let it sit there for 5 minutes. And it made a much better result, but my water still is heating up like crazy. I don't know what next step is. I'm getting the distances right, all equal. I need to buy stuff and I'll let you know what's going on. I want to install this system. That's the container here with no lid on it. I want to install this in this old truck here. The first time I had it ever installed was about 6 weeks ago. I got great results for a few hours. That's why I'm continuing doing it. I know that I can get it done.